This is an urgent video for anyone participating in Solana NFTs using the Phantom wallet. Over the last few days, there have been Solana users who have had the money stolen from their Phantom wallets. And we have an example over here from a tweet from Chase Devins, who reported that he wanted to participate in the Aurora NFT project. We all know it was a big mess. It sold out very quickly. And during these times of mayhem and confusion, it is common to look for any way you can get your hands on one of these NFTs. So his friend sent him a link, he connected to the link, and very shortly after, he had $15,000 worth of Solana stolen from his wallet. And what happened over here is that he connected to a faulty scam website and gave them permission to spend his crypto. One relevant aspect here is that the popular Solana wallet Phantom had an auto-approve feature that would approve any transaction from an approved website, designed to make it faster to mint, but this could allow the website to approve a variety of other transactions, potentially putting your NFTs at risk. And the reason why people choose this feature of auto-approve is because it is faster, especially during these NFT drops where things sell out fast. Let me show you an example. So I'm going to connect to this website for Kaiju cards, and this is a trusted website, right? This is not a scam website. And if I go over here and connect my wallet, it shows us this feature, auto-approved transactions. Like we said, it makes things faster. So if I click on that and connect, now I'm putting myself at risk. Of course, like I said, this is a trusted site, but let's say you did connect to a site and you're not sure, it's pretty easy to revoke access. So you go to your Solana wallet, go to the bottom right corner, go to trusted apps, and you can revoke access. And as I make this video, September 2nd, this is still an option, but Phantom did send out a tweet that they will completely remove this feature. But as I make this video, the feature is still there. Who knows when it will be fixed? Today, tomorrow, in 3 days, and that's all it takes. It takes 1 day. Right now, Solana NFTs are on fire. This can happen to someone today or tomorrow. This is why I always say it is important to keep bell notifications on and subscribe to this channel so that you find out about things right away. Now, I'm not sure this is the best solution. Yes, it would be great to remove it from plain sight to the average user, but I do believe that this should still be an option, maybe hidden in advanced features for people that are connected to trusted websites that want the convenience and the speed of auto confirmations. So make sure that whenever you're connecting to a site, the first thing you want to go to the real site. If you go to howrare.is and you click on these links, it will bring you directly to the real site. Or maybe if you're on the project's Twitter and click the link from there. So be very careful on the links that you click on. And then afterwards, when you connect to the sites, for now at least, maybe over the next 2-3 days, this will still be an option. I would recommend to not select auto confirmations. And this doesn't only happen on Solana. This also happens on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain as well. And many of you watching use Ethereum. So I definitely would recommend that you go ahead and watch this video on how to protect your DeFi wallet on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain in order that your crypto is not stolen. Like this video, share it with your friends. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next time.